My name is Raymond T. Meyer of Lost Island Voyages, Miami, Florida. And this is Ben and Antonio, and today we're going to touch on the subject of beginning canoeing and kayaking.
One of the benefits about canoeing with two people is that it becomes a lot easier. You can canoe on one side while the person in the stern canoes on the other side. The paddling technique usually leaves you in a straighter line. You could also choose to have the person in front alternate and then the person in the back steers.
While steering, you want to be able to put your paddle strongly in the water. If you have it on the right side, the boat will turn to the right, and if you have it on the left side, the boat will turn to the left. Also, if you're going in shallow water, you want to be able to pull, which is basically like paddling, only you want to stick it into the water and push.